everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a makeup look on this look. This is from the Meghan Trainor No Excuses music video. She has like about 4 or 5 different looks in that one, but I decided to do a tutorial on this one with this really fun kind of mint aqua kind of mermaidy looking eye. I feel like nobody does like music video makeup tutorials anymore. I feel like that's very like 2010s kind of YouTube, but I just thought I would do it because it was a fun video, and I've been liking doing eyeshadows lately. If you're interested in seeing how to get this look, then please keep watching. So first I'm going to start with priming my eyes with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance, and just going to apply that all over my lid all the way up to the brow bone. So for this look, since the mint color is very prominent, I'm going to be using a base color. This is from ColourPop. This is their cream gel liner in the color Zulu. So this is what it looks like. If you don't have this, you could also use something like this. This is the e.l.f. HD Lifting Concealer in the color green. It's actually like a color corrector, but I find that this works really great as like a colored base for minty eyeshadow. So if you don't have anything like that, if you have any color correctors, something like that could work. And if you don't have any mint bases or color correctors, you could always just use like something like a white base, like the NYX Jumbo eyeshadow pencil, just anything that will make those mint colors seem a little bit more vibrant. So I'm going to be using the color Zulu, and I'm going to apply this all over my lid. And I'm using a flat synthetic brush for this. I find that those work best for cream products. And I want to soften the edges so I don't have a super harsh line, but I also want to create a very slight kind of winged shape with this, since that's kind of how her makeup is in the music video. So just a very, very slight kind of wing. So this layer doesn't have to be perfect because they're going to be covering it with eyeshadow anyway, but just as smooth as you can apply it is always going to be easiest. So next I'm going to be applying a shimmering teal kind of mint eyeshadow. This one is called Aquarius from Urban Decay. If you don't have this color, another one that I have that works really well is the Ulta eyeshadow in the color Mint. So that one is another good option, but really just kind of any minty kind of color will work. So I'm going to apply that all over where we applied the color base. And this has a nice shimmer finish to it, so it's gonna give it a little bit more kind of like pizzazz rather than just like a mint, like a matte mint kind of color. So this one is actually really perfect for this. And then bring that slightly out over the kind of like winged area we did. Then next, using a matte brow bone color, I'm gonna go over the top of that shadow right under my brow bone and kind of blend that color together so there's not a super harsh line. I'm using the color Brulee from Wet n Wild. So next I'm going to go back with that mint color base that I used, and I'm going to run this along the lower lash line, and I'm going to bring that all the way in. Next, using the Aquarius color again, I'm going to take some of that and apply it right over the top of that colored base. Next, I'm taking the Ulta Gel Eyeliner in the color Aqua. This one is a slightly darker blue, and I'm going to run this over the top line of my lashes. And then using a pencil brush and a navy shadow, I'm going to smoke that right over the top of it and gently blend that upwards, but I want to keep this pretty subtle and pretty low. I'm also going to bring that out just a tiny bit on that wing area and blend that inward. Then taking just a little bit of that navy color, I'm going to apply that just on the lower outer side of my lower lash line. Next, using an angled eyeliner brush, I'm going to take just the tiniest bit of black shadow and keep that as close as I can to my lash line. Just a tiny bit, I'm going to kind of wing that out and blend it inward. I want this to be extremely subtle. Then finally, for the inner corner, I'm just going to take a really light shimmery color and apply that just right on the inner corner, just to bring a little bit more light to the center of the eye. Next, if you want, you can add a white liner to the lower inner rim. I'm going to use this mint colored one I have from Stila. This is the Stila Smudge Stick waterproof color in Mint Julep. So I'm just going to take a tiny bit of that and line my waterline. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply a coat of the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. And her highlighter is very strong, so I'm going to just pile on the highlighter onto my cheekbones. And then for her lips, she seems to just have like a neutral kind of lip, so I'm just going to line my lips with my NYX Natural Lip Pencil, and then I'm going to go over the top of it with the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Tiramisu. And then of course you can throw on some fake lashes and be done with it, but I'm just gonna skip lashes today. I just don't have the time or the patience. So this is the finished Meghan Trainor No Excuses, kind of minty teal, mermaidy kind of makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.